Hi, my name is Arpita Singh. I have completed 3 months of training at Chetu Skill Center, and after successfully completing the training, I have joined Chetu in March as a trainee. My journey with Chetu is full of learning and new opportunities. During my training period, I have gained a technical knowledge as well as work upon my communication skills. Besides this, Chetu also provide many benefits to their employees like paid vacations, subsidized housing and meal facility, transportation facility, and 6 months appraisal cycle. As a fresher, I got an opportunity to work on my technical as well as communication skills. For a fresher, there is very important part of training which Chetu provides to their freshers so that they can learn about the industry level projects. Overall, being a part of Chetu is a very wonderful experience for me, and I am very grateful and thankful to the mentors and trainers for their constant guidance and support. Thank you.